Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get a full screen on Inshot. First of all, open up the Inshot mobile application and click on the video. Once you click on the video, select the specific video just by clicking on new at the top. For example, this is the video that I want. If we go for this video, you know, if we go to this video, click on tick. As you can see, this is that specific video that I want the full screen on. If we go to the canvas at the first, you can see like this. You can just go for the screen type that you want. You can also go for the full screen or like this, or in this case this is the full screen right there. And you can also pinch to zoom in and zoom out on that specific screen, and that is how you can easily get this type of screen you want. In other words, the full screen of any platform. For example, if you go on to TikTok, you can just go for the TikTok, Instagram stories, Instagram reels. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. You can also select the, for example, if I want to get this bigger screen and if I want my video to like make it full on it, I can just like zoom in and zoom out. In each case I can do the same thing, for example like this, for example like this. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.